Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, this is Harika. I post videos on hairstyles and I give reviews on products which are very affordable and fashion related content on my channel. So this video is all about a makeup tutorial and you know the reason behind it. Yes, the Valentine's Day is all around the corner and without sharing a video on it, I think it's not fair. It is for all the girls who want to look different, not Western. So this video is all about a traditional makeup look. If you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Now I washed my face with Himalayan neem face wash. Now this is very important before you apply makeup and if you want to look very neat and fresh on your special day. Now I'm gonna quickly change my hairstyle for this makeup and come back to you. So this is my hairstyle for this look. Let me just show you. If you want to know how I made this hairstyle, I'll mention the link in the description box below. Go through it. This hairstyle is one of my favorite hairstyle. Whenever I go out, I always make this. So first, I'm going to be using Victoria's Secret's face lotion, which is a combination of coconut oil and shea butter. I'm going to be taking only this much and apply it all over my face and neck. This moisturizer helps our skin to be hydrated and best suited for people who are suffering from dry skin. Now next comes the very important cream for our skin, that is sunscreen. I'm using Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Sandalwood Sunscreen with SPF 50. This lotion is blended with pure sandalwood, saffron, honey and bark of urchin tree. If you want to know the details of the product, I'll mention the links in the description box below. I'm gonna be applying this much and rub it all over my face and neck till it gets absorbed. Even if you are not applying makeup, sunscreen should be applied every day. After you complete applying sunscreen, make sure you wait for at least 5 minutes before you step into the makeup because you want your lotion to completely absorb into the skin. For that, it only takes few minutes. Now comes the primer. I'm using the brand named MEKUR primer. This transparent primer has a gel texture that gives you an even toned skin with smooth finish. It has mattifying properties which helps your skin to be non-sticky. I'm gonna be applying this around my nose area where I want to cover my pores and make it look even before applying makeup. So now it's the turn of some foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. Since I have dark spots on my skin, as you can see, I'm gonna cover all those. I don't usually prefer it all over my face because I already did and decided not to do it next time. It made my skin look very cakey and artificial. I use normal face powder which is from Pond's. Many people prefer compact powder, loose powder, but for this video, I wanted to use affordable products. So I'm gonna be applying it all over my face to make it look bright. Next comes the eyebrow pencil. This is from CHAMBOR in the shade 02 Dark Brown. It comes with a spoolie with which you can blend the product and also brush your eyebrows for a natural look. Can you see the difference? It has defined my eyebrows. I'm going to blend it with my fingers to make it look natural. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the highlighter from Insight in the shade 04 Frosted Heart. Now this highlighter will enhance your face by adding a dewy look and makes it look prominent and elegant. I use it on the areas like below arc, middle lid of my eyes, top of the cheekbones, bridge of the nose and the cupid's bow. Now I'm going to be using the eyeliner from Lakme, which is of 9 ml and I got it for rupees 100 in Amazon. Now I will use mascara from Swiss Beauty in the shade Black. It comes with 10 ml for rupees 200. It is waterproof, long wearing formula, ensures no flaking. It adds volume to your lashes and makes it look defined. To enhance my lashes even more, I am gonna curl it with a curler. Now I am gonna be using the lipstick from Clinique in the shade Pow Pop. Now this is totally optional. You can apply whatever lipstick you want. I'm using this to make my lips moisturized before applying my favorite one because that lipstick dries my lips. So I decided to do it this way. My favorite. This lipstick is from Matte Me in the shade 423 Blood Red. This is my 5th tube and has been the most favorite in my makeup routine. I always prefer this for festivals, wedding events and functions. When this video is all about a traditional look, a bindi is a must, right? Since I don't have a bindi, I'm going to be using the eyeliner from Lakme to apply it on my face. So this is how I'm going to apply it. Now that's all for today's video. If you like this makeup tutorial, make sure you hit the like button, share with your friends who want to look traditional on Valentine's Day. I do have a request for you guys, that is to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've been trying to build my YouTube communities for such a long time, and if you subscribe to my channel, I'll be super motivated. And also follow me on Instagram because I'm super duper active over there, and I'll mention the links in the description box below. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace.